Someone's furnace quits at 11 at night and they are freezing. They pull out their phone and search for Furnace Repair Superior, Colorado, or Emergency HVAC near me. If your heating and cooling company is not in the top 3 map results, you do not exist to them. They scroll past you without ever seeing your name, and they call whoever Google puts right in front of them. That is the reality of running an HVAC business in Superior right now. Your trucks could be 5 minutes away. Your technicians could be the most experienced in Boulder County. Your pricing could be the fairest in the area. None of it matters if potential customers cannot find you the exact second their equipment breaks down. Local search solves this problem. It puts your Superior HVAC company where people are already looking when they need immediate help. 90% of local search clicks go straight to the top 3 businesses in Google's map pack. If you are not there for searches like AC Repair Superior or furnace installation near me, you are missing the calls that matter most. Most HVAC contractors struggle with this because you are experts in diagnostics, installations, and refrigerant systems, not Google's constantly changing algorithm. While you are out running service calls, your Google business profile might be sitting half empty. Maybe your business hours are wrong, your service categories are missing, or a negative review from 3 weeks ago went unanswered. Maybe your website buries Superior on a generic service area page that lists 40 different cities, leaving Google with no clue where you actually operate. Meanwhile, a competitor with older trucks and fewer reviews takes all the calls simply because their online signals are optimized. Google relies on 3 main things: proximity, relevance, and prominence. It wants to show users the closest, most relevant HVAC company that looks legitimate and active. Fixing this does not require a 12-step marketing framework or complicated jargon. We start by completely optimizing your Google business profile, making sure every field is accurate. From your service categories to photos of your actual trucks and technicians, we make sure your website clearly targets Superior with genuine, useful content about the neighborhoods you cover and the seasonal heating and cooling issues unique to Colorado. We build consistent local citations across directories so Google knows your business name, address, and phone number match everywhere. And we set up a real review management system so happy customers actually leave feedback while you get immediate alerts to handle anything else professionally. You want to show up in that local map pack when people need furnace repair, AC installation, or emergency HVAC service in Superior. If you are ready to stop losing high-intent service calls to competitors who simply have better online signals, let's talk. Call 719-639-8238 and tell us what you do and where you do it. No pressure, no sales script, just a clear plan. Or go to caseysSEO.com.